la famille, bienvenue sur ma chaîne. Attends, je vais bien arranger ma caméra là d'abord. Coucou la famille, bienvenue sur ma chaîne, les secrets de la bonne cuisine. J'espère que vous allez bien. Okay, aujourd'hui, hello everyone, sorry my English subscriber. Hey, how am I going to forget you? Comment je peux oublier? I hope you guys are okay. And today's recipe, I'm stealing YouTuber. YouTuber recipe. I couldn't sleep when I see this recipe. I'm telling you, I couldn't sleep. Let me show you. You see this one? Tasty. Yeah, this recipe. Yeah, because of you, I couldn't sleep. I watched this program at night, but I couldn't sleep at all. Quand j'ai regardé la recette là, oh my God, it's yam porridge. So I'm copying your recipe today. I'm copying your recipe today, Tasty City. Any of my English subscriber, you can go and subscribe to his channel, her channel, I mean. So attends, je vais poser ça d'abord. So I'm copying a YouTuber, my fellow YouTuber, Tasty City recipe. I love yam porridge. When I saw this recipe, I couldn't sleep all night because I watched this video at night. So I couldn't sleep. Quand j'ai regardé la vidéo là, c'était la nuit. J'ai pas pu dormir. Donc dès le lendemain, je suis sortie, j'ai acheté les condiments, tout. Donc on va préparer ça aujourd'hui, yam porridge. Okay? So let's go and start. I'm going to introduce you all the ingredients too. I'm going to show you all the ingredients we're going to cook today. J'ai volé la recipe d'une youtubeuse là. Elle s'appelle Tasty City. Donc, c'est son récipient que je vais faire aujourd'hui. Yam porridge. C'est très délicieux. J'ai bien aimé. Il y avait deux personnes. Comment dire? Il y avait Abby Cooking. Yeah. Elle aussi, elle avait fait yam porridge. Pour elle aussi, c'était très bien. Donc, mais j'ai préféré pour Tasty City. J'ai dit, je vais faire ça d'abord. There was another YouTuber too. Her name is Abby Cookie. So I saw yam porridge there too. So she was the first one. I saw first before I see Tasty City one. But I said, okay. I was so attracted to Tasty one. So I said, let me go for that one first. Maybe next time I will try Abby Cookie. Well, this one was so mouth-watering recipe. Honestly, Tasty City. Her recipe is mouth-watering recipe. But this one, I said, no. Fifi, le secret de la bonne cuisine. You have to do this recipe too. So I'm going to copy him deeply today. Everything you will see, I'm copying him today. I will keep watching the video and do my recipe as well. So let's go and start. I'm going to introduce you all the ingredients. We're going to start cooking, Tasty. I'll steal your recipe today. I'll steal your recipe today. Okay, let's get started. Here, tomato, onion, and garlic tomato, des oignons et l'ail, red bell pepper, rouge pepper, crayfish, les crevettes secs en poudre, 3 maggi et dry fish powder. Elle n'avait pas ça, mais moi je veux ça. I want that one. There's no that one on this piece. All primer and yam is here. Plantain too. There was no plantain, but me I want plantain. And ginger, it was fresh ginger, but I'm gonna use this one. And salt to taste. And prawns, ça c'est les crevettes. Et le poisson mackerel fumé par moi-même. That mackerel smoke, agreed by myself. If you want the recipe, let me know in the comment. And baby spinach, épinards frais. On va utiliser ça aussi. And let's start cooking. Je vais découper en deux. Je vais pas tout utiliser ça parce que c'était trop pour moi. I'm not gonna use all of them. It was too much because just me and my hubby. The kids don't like it. Anyway. Mes enfants n'aiment pas, donc c'était pour moi et pour mon chéri seulement. Donc j'ai fait en deux et je vais garder le reste dans le congélateur. Je vais épiler après, je vais garder dans le congélateur. I'm gonna keep the rest and peel it off and frozen. I cut it off and put inside the frozen bag for next time using. Je vais garder l'autre là pour dans le congélateur. Quand j'aurai besoin seulement, je fais sortir. So I'm gonna peel it off my yam. Je vais découper mes yam en carré. Vous voyez, je vais faire ça en cube ou en carré. Donc je découpe tout et tout. Après je vais laver. Je vais rincer ça dans très bien avec de l'eau propre. Donc je vais aller dans mon sink. Je vais laver très bien ça. I'm gonna wash it. And now I finished to wash my plat en yam. It's time to slice my onion. Je vais découper mes oignons maintenant. Petit, je suis comme ça, Tasty City. You make my wife moche. So today is my turn to do for someone. So if you're on my channel for the first time, don't forget to subscribe, like it, and comment below. Tasty City, she's a lovely lady. She cooks so well. So my subscriber who speak English, go on her channel, Tasty City. She cooks so well. Donc je découpe. Si tu comprends l'anglais, va sur sa chaîne, ok? Et voilà, j'ai fini avec les oignons. I finished with onions, so I'm gonna do the red bell pepper. Donc je vais faire le poivron rouge. Je fais sortir le seed là. C'est déjà lavé tout. Is already washed everything. So je vais découper ça en cubes, petit cube là. I'm gonna slice it like magic cube. That's it. I'm gonna do it quickly. This recipe, when I saw on her channel, I'm telling you, at night I couldn't sleep at all. The next morning I told my friend, one of my friends, say, I saw one YouTuber recipe, but I have to do this one. I had to go to shopping because I didn't have anything. I had to go for shopping, so we're gonna blend this one. That's my blender, so we're gonna blend. I put all my pepper there, onion et garlic. Donc je vais mettre mes poivrons rouges ici, les tomates, je découpe tout et je vais aller écraser, ok? Je laisse ça à côté. Elle avait fait la même chose, mais moi j'ai pas laissé beaucoup. She did the same thing, she leave one on side. So mais elle avait utilisé une tomate, mais moi j'ai utilisé deux. She used one tomato, but me I use 1.5. And 3 cloves of garlic, 3 gousses de l'ail. Et j'avais oublié du piment. I forgot my scotch bonnet. I'm checking inside if it's clean. You know, sometimes inside is dirty. So a little bit of water. I'm going to blend it. I will come back to you. Now I'm back. I'm back. I blend it. So now it's time for my fish, to clean my fish, to take the skin off. Like her, she doesn't like mackerel skin. Me too. I don't like it. So weird, yeah? We got the same sauce for moi aussi, j'aime pas la peau comme ça, donc j'enlève la peau. Elle aussi, elle n'aimait pas la peau, elle avait enlevé la peau. Donc je vais enlever les arêtes. So I'm gonna take the bone out. She doesn't like the skin. Me too, I don't like the skin. I'm taking off. Si tu veux, c'est fini. Si tu veux laisser la peau, tu peux. If you want to keep the skin, it's up to you. So now is my plantain turn. She didn't use plantain, but me, I like plantain. Elle n'a pas utilisé aloko, mais moi, j'aime aloko dans mon porridge, yam porridge. And it's done. Now it's time for my spinach to cut it. Je vais découper mes épinards maintenant. Tu n'as pas besoin de découper en petits morceaux. Medium size, c'est bon. Pas très petit, pas très grand aussi, quoi. Not too small, not too big. All right? And she used a lot, but I don't want to use a lot. I don't want too much. I just want a little bit. OK? Elle avait utilisé beaucoup d'épinards, mais moi, je veux un peu seulement. Et ça, c'est les prons. Voilà, je mets ça à côté. Et on va passer à la cuisine aussi. On va commencer la préparation. Et ça, c'est l'huile rouge de chez moi, la Guinée-Conakry. Et donc, je vais mettre un tout peu de ça. Je vais mettre l'huile rouge. Et elle avait dit de ne pas brûler tellement ton huile. She said, do not bleach your oil. Okay, so I'm not going to bleach my oil. When it's warm a little bit, I'm going to add my onion. Maintenant, je peux mettre elle dit de ne pas tellement brûler. Donc, je mets mon my onion. I'm gonna add my onion and leave it to cook for 5 to 7 minutes. Like she said, I'm follow her. So look at after 5-7 minutes. C'est bon comme regarde. L'odeur c'était très bon. Oh, the aroma was so good. It was so good, I'm telling you. Fried onion. So I fried my onion for 7 minutes. Now I can add my tomato, my red bell pepper. Maintenant, je peux mettre mes tomates et red bell piment, oignon, garlic, l'ail écrasé. Je mets un tout peu d'eau pour rincer. Et je laisse cuire ça un tout peu. Je vais mettre un peu de condiments. Les 3 cubes Maggi, je vous ai montré. I'm going to add my 3 cube Maggi. And that cube Maggi is Nacha Maggi. So today I'm in Nigeria. Je suis au Nigeria aujourd'hui. Donc je mets les 3 cubes Maggi et ginger. Elle avait mis fresh ginger. She put fresh ginger, but I didn't have fresh ginger. And that dry fish is chili. Ça, c'est avec du piment sec. Poisson avec piment sec. Elle n'avait pas mis ça, mais moi, j'ai mis ça. She didn't put that one, but I did. Et un peu de sel. Salt to taste. And stir it. And leave it to cook for 5 to 7 minutes. 5 to 7 minutes. Or 10 minutes. Je laisse cuire pendant 5 à 7 minutes ou 10 minutes. So I'm watching the video to see if I'm doing the right way. Tasty City. You make my mouth wash dry. So today is your recipe. So far, that's what I'm doing. C'est ça que je fais. Je regarde encore la vidéo pour voir si c'est ça même que je suis en train de faire. Tout et tout. I think I'm the right path. Easy. Eh? So far, so good. So that's the next step I'm coming to do now. Okay? That's the next step. That's Tasty City. I'm coming to do mine as well. Yeah. So nice. Oh, beautiful. Now, me too. And my plantain. I'm watching the video over here. Yeah, plantain, yeah. I'm following you. I had plantain because you didn't have, but me, I like plantain. Now, crayfish. Crayfish. And my prawn. Oh, I have prawn now. Doesn't matter. So I'm going to add a little bit water so the yam can cook properly. And she said, do not stir it. She did like this. And close it. Cook for some minutes. And after I'm going to add this one, my pepper. Okay. Smells nice. Now I can add my fish. And my pepper crunchy one. Still, I'm not gonna stir it like she said. I'm gonna cook it a bit, and after I will check on my yam if it's cooked well. It's time to check if my yam is cooked properly. until it's cooked, no problem. Yeah, my yam is cooked. Yeah, my yam is cooked. See? Cooked now. Oh. Now I'm gonna add my spinach. She put a lot, but mine is fine like this. I'm gonna reduce the fire and cook it slowly. Alright, for 5 minutes. It's done. It's time to check. It's time to check. Look at this. Look at this. So juicy. Tasty. City. Come and rate me. Come and rate me, oh. Come and rate me. Tasty City. Let me mark it. Come and mark me. I know I didn't put too much spinach, but mine is fine like this. Mine is okay like this. Look at Sophia on my channel for the first time. Subscribe. Otherwise, you're gonna miss a lot of this beautiful food. Look at. So juicy. Si tu es sur ma chaîne pour la première fois, n'oublie pas de t'abonner si tu as aimé ce que je fais comme ça. Si tu as aimé, abonne-toi ou bien regarde si tu veux manquer tout ça là. Si tu veux pas manquer tout ça là, abonne-toi. Abonne-toi et partagez la vidéo, like it, thumbs up for me. Subscribe please if you are not subscribed. You don't want to miss all this, so subscribe. Subscribe to my channel, otherwise you're gonna miss a lot. Thank you, Tasty City. Merci, Tasty City. Thank you to show me this. Oh, I can't wait to eat. You give me mouth watering. Today is my turn to give mouth watering to someone. It's my turn to give mouth watering to someone. It's my turn. I'm gonna cook for 2 minutes and it's done completely. So beautiful. Now it's done. I'm gonna have mine with this bread. With this bread, I like it. It reminds me of my grandma. When we always cook this one, we eat with bread. So yummy. So yummy. Ça me rappelle de ma grand-mère maternelle. Chaque fois qu'elle prépare ça, on mange avec le pain. Quand on va au village, oh c'est très bon. Remind me of my grandma. May her sorrow rest in peace. She passed away. Ça me rappelle. Anytime we went to village, she would cook this one for us and that bread. So yummy. So I'm gonna warm that bread inside the oven and I'm gonna have it with that bread. So that's all in my chicken today. Le secret de la bonne cuisine. Like I said before, if you like it, do not forget to subscribe, like it, thumbs up for me, and see you soon for my next video. Si c'est la première fois que tu es sur ma chaîne, n'oublie pas de t'abonner, partager et aimer, ok? À très bientôt pour une autre vidéo. At the moment, enjoy this video. Go and cook. It was a challenge for me. I did it because I couldn't stand in this recipe. I said I have to eat this. So now it's someone's turn. Go on. I'm still a YouTuber. I'm still a YouTuber recipe, and it's going well. So yummy. I can't wait. My mouth is watering now, honestly. So now